In the heart of the nature, a majestic tree stretches skyward. Hold on to your branches, because this one is about to sprout from just these simple shapes. Alright, hold on to your hats. Let's kick off with some line magic. I love trees, because among many more other things, they're like magical homes for birds and squirrels. And they give us shade to play under on hot days. What's your absolute best thing about them? I am just curious. Now that we've laid down the foundation with these lines, let's sprinkle some artistic fairy dust for those cool, jaw-dropping details. And hear me out. Go ahead and tweak things as you go. Enjoy and make it your own, because art is all about doing things your way. This sketch is looking pretty sweet, so let's make it even better with some bold marker lines. This tree is going to be so cool. Even the birds will be lining up to build their nests in it. Can you imagine that? Who knows, maybe it'll even attract a friendly squirrel or two, looking for a new home in our treetop paradise. As you can see, we're almost done. I'm as proud as a peacock at a feather festival with how awesome this turned out. Let's add some final touches. Now, it's time to get groovy with colors. Here's my wicked example for that extra spark of inspiration. And if you want more videos like this, and they are free, visit scribblepeeps.com. Bye.